What's up guys, we've got another image sent in for us to edit, so we're going to be trying to recreate one of these editing styles here with the exact same image that he has sent us. So if you guys like what you see down here, you can check out the description and go give him a follow over on Instagram. So if we come down, we will find the image we're going to be working with. We're going to be working with this one right here. So he sent us this, and we're going to be trying to, recreate this exact style. Bit of vignette, plenty of blue in those shadows, and really like this moody look. So let's get into Lightroom, see if we can create something like this. Okay, so turning this one into this one here, and the first thing we'll do is bump up the contrast. We will bring up some shadows, maybe. I can tell there's going to be a few filters and radial filters in this one, so just have to play around with these for now. So I'm kind of just looking down here. I can tell we have to brighten this up with a filter later, so I'm just focusing on this area of the photo because they're different exposures. And clarity, there's definitely a lot of clarity in this, and you can tell by, I describe it as the glassiness. It's almost like the sharpness, but not quite. So there's with and without the clarity. And then we'll drop those highlights. And we will move on. So I'm just going to do an S curve. We're gonna, we will do a vignette first. So as you can see, pretty strong vignette going around the image. Okay, so we'll do an S curve because we can see there's quite a bit of fade in those really dark areas. Just as there. So lifting the black point up. Then we need those midpoints a bit brighter. And again, we're going to have to brighten this up with a filter. So just kind of concentrate on this area. Okay, so we will put in a nice big radial filter before we do colors. and drop this highlights as those bright bits are getting a bit too bright. And I think the waterfall is looking really bright, so I'm going to drop them quite a bit. And I think that's looking pretty good. We might move on to colors now. So as you can see, we've got really cool shadows. So we'll see what happens if we chuck in some split toning first. So we'll put a lot of these blues in the shadows. And then you can see we've still got warmth in the highlights, so there's quite a bit of blue creeping into the highlights, even though we just put it in the shadows. So what you can do is just put the opposite color in the highlights. That will really balance it out. We definitely need to desaturate a lot of these greens. And then, as you can see, we've lost skin tones, so we'll try to bring them up a bit. And we've got a bit too much blues in the water. Might. Right, might do some more filters. I want to enhance the darkness along this edge and down the bottom here. So filter. Exposure a bit. And maybe some highlights. As you can see, you can't really see much highlights down there. Might do another one down the side here. As you can see, it's much darker. So we're trying to frame the eye in this direction. Cool, looking pretty good. Might go back to some of these hues and colors. Maybe, let's see. I think these yellows could be a bit more orange. Back to split toning. Looking a bit too blue, I think. Then we're a bit too warm in the highlights. And I think that's looking pretty close. Maybe bring out our subject a bit. Just a bit of exposure. And I'm pretty happy with that. I might just drag this out. Might bring down the yellows. Maybe about there, and our image is going to be a little sharper. This one's a bit soft because it's a screenshot. And I possibly might just leave it there, guys. I think it's pretty close. Could maybe take some saturation out of that water there, but I'm pretty happy with that. These are before and after. So yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. Make sure you comment down below who you guys want to see, but comment people that don't have heaps of followers. That way I can reach out to them on Instagram. I'll ask them to send in a photo and I'll do a tutorial on them, help you guys learn. And yeah, you guys definitely check out the presets. You guys are really liking those. I'm going to be trying to add some more things you guys can get, so you can get even more value out of these videos. But yeah, really happy with the feedback of those presets. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all the feedback you guys give in the comments. I go through all those, so yeah, definitely comment who you guys want to see. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.